Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to invite people to your space on Quora. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then click on that fourth option at the bottom of the screen, and then you can see your space. Click on that. And now you can see the invite or people option. It doesn't matter. If you click on the people, will appear like this. You can invite admins. Admins can manage submissions, content and settings. So if you click on the invite, here you have to search by name, or you can import from contacts. After that, the moderators, you can invite them, who can manage submissions and content. Contributors can add content, and followers see space content in their feeds and receive notifs from space. So you can invite these people, and if you click on the invite, will appear like this. If you click on the follower, the same. Here you can get the invite link and to send them, or back import contacts, and you can search by names as well, or for example admin will appear like this. You can search by name or also import from contacts. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.